What is Coinstaking? Proof of stake is a blockchain verification method that is both more energy efficient and less expensive than the traditional proof of work method. Only one miner is chosen at a time to validate the blockchain, but in order to be picked, that miner must lock up some of their coins as collateral. That miner is penalized for any fraud transactions by losing their collateral and is rewarded for good transactions by the creation of new coin. Since the traditional proof of work method requires supercomputers and complex equations to verify the blockchain, proof of stake actually solves a lot of those problems, so an average person can mine crypto without the need of supercomputers that take up a lot of time and energy. Although it's very similar to how banks use your money to distribute loans and bonds, giving you 1 to 2% interest on your money, staking actually is on a more decentralized system, so you could be your own bank and control of your own money. So what are some rewards to staking your coins? Depending on the coin you stake, you can earn around 1 to 12% on your crypto. Rewards are determined depending on the amount of cryptocurrency you have for that specific wallet. The more you have, the more either Coinbase or Binance can stake on your behalf, and the greater payouts will be. But what exactly are the risks of coin staking? Severe price movements is actually one of the biggest risks crypto staking investors face when staking their coins. For example, you could be earning around 12% per year on your crypto. However, if the price falls by half, then you're most likely going to lose a lot of money. As a result, one of the most important factors that you must consider when staking is market risk. Therefore, you must be super careful which coins you decide to stake. Some of the platforms that are currently allowing staking are Coinbase, Binance, and eToro. That's it for today's video, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe and turn on those notification bell so you're notified the next time we drop a video. See you guys next time. Bye.